And even
Either-
if they drop Titans, the Titans wouldn't be
Cryptos.
able to move, right?
You alright.
Yeah,
you
right.
choose two options. Either fly really high or you fly really low.
Alright, it's about to happen.
All right, Cryptos, we're
Otherwise,
counting
yeah.
on you for the stream, boy.
We're starting now. We're starting now.
Stream for Ukraine. Stream for
Don't get stream tonight.
Slava Ukraini.
Slav.
Dark. I haven't shaken this
Okay.
much for this PD. Oh my God, there's so many actors.
I'm shaking, bro.
Actors. They're all Marley. The fuck are
I'm
you?
Not all of
shaking.
them. Not all of them.
I
Some
am
of them are
shaking
actors.
right now, bro. I'm shaking right now. Oh,
Everybody's shivering.
Damn, bro,
Dark.
for
I
Marley
haven't
attacking
shaken
so
this
long,
much
I'm so
since
excited,
what
bro.
is it? A long ago
Okay,
PD.
It needs to be
Fuck.
No, first Marley attack in a long time, bro.
okay.
Let's go.
All right, boys. Let's go, boys.
I go out the gate. No, every wall, every side of the wall, every side of the wall.
How do I turn on, I need to turn on my compass.
Marcus,
press
heck, I
it.
can't
See.
see nothing. I literally cannot see anything.
Alright, where are
I'm
we going?
I'm going for that. Hold on, I'm going for that. If I see a blame above me, I'm gonna kill myself.
I'm gonna
Alright,
cry.
so we don't stop moving.
Bro, I'm gonna cry. I'm going to the west forest.
Yeah, chill out on gas, please. Chill out on gas. You gotta chill out on gas.
Hey, what's that light doing flashing over
Okay,
there?
I'm at the east gate.
Yeah, good though. Good though.
Where's is this the outer gate?
I'm
Is that
so
where
lost. I've never been this lost. I haven't ran this so far before, and not
Boy,
seen
okay.
the outer gate.
Wait, wait.
Where's
What
the
do you
outer
get?
gate?
Where the fuck is the outer gate? Oh, there it is.
Huh?
It's west. Just go west.
Oh, just go
I'm
straight
going,
west.
I'm going straight. I'm checking straight north. I'm checking straight.
Wait, don't press C. Don't press C. What do you
Okay. Someone.
Don't
I want
press E.
someone going south, checking walls there. Someone go north, check walls there.
I already checked. I'm at
Yeah.
I'm at north
I'll
right
go
now. I'm at
north.
north right now. I'm at
You're
do?
north.
I'm
north?
at west. I'm west. I'm west.
A dark night shadows over the walls once more. Oh,
All right, I'm gonna go to inner. I'm gonna go to inner. Check. I
I'm
swear to
west.
God,
I'm
if
going
this
out
district gets nuked.
Going south.
Bro, I'm dying. I'm running.
Bro, who's that dude on the ground without gear, bro? Oh, good luck.
Huh? Who have no gear? What?
Where's no
North is
gear?
clear. North is clear. North is clear.
North is clear.
Yeah, no,
west,
it's clear.
west seems
West is
clear
clear
for
as well.
now.
I'm going south. I'm going south.
Remember, if needed, go on Titan side and then look up from the ground, and you can see a giant floating thing sometimes.
I think
South is clear. South is clear.
Wait.
Also,
let me
I
go
hope you know if they're
further.
using SMLEs, we're basically fucked. We're one tap with SMLEs.
Yeah, it's one tab. It's one tab. For
Yeah.
Well, not me. Don't censor if you see now.
One tap torso.
North seems clear.
It one taps AP users as well.
Headshot only though.
Even then, we came
Wait,
in
really?
headshot. No. It probably does. Yeah. It probably
Wait,
does
two
both.
taps.
I'm not even gonna lie. But I wish we still had the AP system where we could headshot and one tap them. Like obviously at a certain range, but wish we had that type.
Yeah. Okay. Oh shit! Can we have a car right now?
No, that wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, it would make sense. We wouldn't know.
Okay, it's too quiet, bro. It is way,
Way
too
too
It's
quiet.
like
quiet.
this.
No music at all, bro.
I'm going fast off now.
Remember, times are clear, so you can go. And it's nighttime.
Oh shit! Right, we cleared this circuit out. Fuck.
We just cleared it too.
Okay, so we won't probably experience any Titans.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, there's Ooga Booga music.
You hear music?
Hajime
I don't hear
Master.
music. I don't hear music at all.
I don't know
Um, Oh, then it's only Dev. Okay, hold on. Let me PM.
outside the outer gate seems clear. Oh, my hands are so sweaty.
Yeah, my hand. Oh.
Everyone else is sweating, bro. I'm telling you right now, everyone is sweating.
Oh, there's Ooga Booga music and I don't like it.
Moga Moga. Bro, I want to hear this music now.
He didn't connect it to universal IDs. Hold on. I'm gonna go DM Carrick real quick.
Oh, this is a bad time. It's just saying I need to go to pee. Wait, let me go.
I will go far, far with you.
Yeah, that's what I'm going.
Bro, watch them blow up the.
Okay. Troy just obscure said Blimp West.
Blimp West?
That
Yeah,
his name, he said in my chat Blimp West.
Blimp, yeah.
West? Where is West?
If they're
Oh, that's
going
far. That's
past the
out. That's
walls,
outer.
do you
That's
think they could
outer.
be going towards Stohis? Oh wait, outer? Oh yeah, that is outer.
Okay, I'm going west
gentlemen.
right now.
West, where did you see the Blimp West? I can't even see this dark place.
Bro, homie's like on the ground looking up with a telescope.
Has
The
to.
people saying it is. Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know.
What?
I mean, if there's that many people saying that it's west, then it's west.
What? What happened?
I'm trying to get
Blimp is
the
west.
skiers.
Oh, the
Carrick,
business one?
if you're in game, this is the ID you need to paste in for universal ID so everyone else can hear. Server
I'm
lock
looking.
off?
Yeah, that's a bad sign, bro.
Someone's disconnecting.
Okay, guys, let's take a good couple minutes to breathe.
Wait, what color is the
Oh shit! Yeah, wait, hold on. What color is it?
What color is what?
The blimp.
I don't know. I'm looking up. I'm outside outer gate right
Red
now.
equals good. That's all you gotta know.
Red equals good. What if it's a different color? Like green?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you know that if it's green, we all run.
If it's green, it's gonna go boom.
We all run. We all run for our lives.
We just see the mist turn green.
I like how we're making jokes and then we're gonna get nuked.
No. It's how we used to roll things. We used to make jokes to calm the situation down, remember?
Ah, yes, of course. It's working. You know, I can breathe now.
Is it just me or is half my legs sunken into the wall?
No, if
Yeah.
you
Oh, yeah,
press
mine
C, just
too.
go under the ground.
Oh, you were
Why?
crouching. Okay.
We have auto crouch now?
You
When
did
did
press C.
when the fuck did that get added? What the-
I think it's just for
No, I
guns,
think
though.
so. Yeah, it's just for guns.
No,
Someone added
yeah.
a gun like
It's on
auto
AP
crouch.
too, but the animation's glitched.
I still don't see the blimp.
Yeah.
No, I
There's a
don't see-
crouching AP animation?
It's crouching. I have gear on and I'm crouching.
Alright, screw this. I'm turning on custom cursor.
At this point,
It's so dark.
Yeah, I need it. Actually, you know what? No, white might work better at I don't know which one's better, green or white.
I think
White,
for
white.
accuracy, white dot, accuracy.
White dot? No, mine's literally a fucking a green cursor. It's a green
Parachutes.
where?
Where?
I don't know. Troy just said in my chat parachutes in all caps.
Where? Direction.
Where?
Press C.
Very
What's
shoot.
happening?
Okay, I'm going inside
Ignore
this
your
server.
chat? Okay.
What?
Oh yeah, know the chat. Yeah, that's kind of low feeling actually.
Wait,
I won't worry about my chat then.
Bro, when I
Yeah, who wants to
oh
let
inside
me?
inside this thing. This
Inside
one.
the district?
Oh, they got. Oh no, they got a different gun. They got a different type of gun.
Wait, what's inside the?
Oh, they shoot. In the wall.
What the
Tracers, I got guns with
fuck?
tracers, I got- on the wall, they got guns with tracers.
Oh my
Okay.
fucking god, that scared me as fuck.
What the
Nah.
fuck is that?
What the fuck is that gun?
What is that? What
What is what?
is that?
No, bro, it's a machine. That's a whole ass machine gun. That ain't a
Don't
gun,
try to shoot.
bro.
Don't try to shoot. Don't try to shoot. Don't try to shoot your gun.
Where? What direction?
In the wall. West. No, this one.
North. All right, everyone, just keep moving around.
Don't engage him with guns. Go with blades.
Something
go
tells
monkey
me these
mode.
are no call.
Okay, south.
Yeah, it is no call. It is no call.
Oh hell yeah! No. My only weakness, guns. Sorry. My
Holy
only...
crap! What is?
I can't go
Oh my
in with blades, bro.
god!
I can't go in with blades.
Yeah, I'm not going for blades. Oh, we can't do anything, bro. We can't do
Oh
anything.
nah, bro. That's
Green,
no
do your
call. That's
thing.
no call. That's no call.
Bro, that's
Oh
no
my
call.
God,
That's
what it
point
is.
and
No
click.
call. Oh shit! And they're
We
all-
can't do anything about that. That's basically ground AP.
AP, we can't do anything about that. We cannot do anything about that.
And they
What?
said they wanted to fucking nerf AP? Bruh? I give up.
Fuck you guys. Get away.
No,
Five
fuck
feet
it.
apart.
Okay, let's go. I just hit one. Yeah, I hit one.
Hit one with AP.
They're just spraying at
Oh, that's a dead suicide mission, bro.
Yeah, I told you. It's not.
I hit
Bro,
another one.
I'm
I
gonna
hit
have to
another
pull
one.
off the green flick if I want to hit these kills, bro.
Alright, everybody drop shot. Everybody drop shot.
Everyone drop shot.
Bro, green. Why didn't you grab my
I hit
blue?
one. Oh, I hit one. Oh, fuck you.
I'm trying. I don't
Oh,
see
he's
any.
no. Oh my
Remember,
God.
Daniel. Remember, someone's streaming. Try and refrain from cursing.
No, cursing is
Oh
fine.
yeah,
It's just
my bad,
racial
my bad, my
terms.
bad.
You can curse all you want. It's just racial terms.
Oh, okay, got it.
Oh my god, that just goes spray the fucking whole squad, bro.
What the hell is that gun?
Where are these guys from though? Hold on. Where are these guys from though? Where do you guys think?
Different uniform.
Are they Nazi black troopers?
I saw someone paraching down.
I'm being fired. I'm being
Yeah, there's
fired.
more. There's more.
South.
There's some in the district now. Okay, hold on. Wait, no, taking these guns don't do a lot of damage.
Yeah, they're on
I
the
just
ground.
got shot. I just got shot. They don't do too much
just-
damage.
Oh, really?
Damn, do they
I
got
just got shot. Yeah,
med?
it only did 10. But they spray fast. I just got shot. 10 damage only. You're good. Don't be
I'm
too
looking-
scared. Don't be too scared.
How would
Cover
Jupiter?
Jupiter.
No, there's going
Yeah, we
inside
got
the...
med camp, right? We got the med camp, right?
We got come, yeah.
Alright. Near
I know,
near
it goes-
the
Bro, good shit we
near the-
built, both of them.
near the inner gate. Near the inner gate.
Green, let's do the guys on the wall real quick.
I know. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking
Yeah,
advantage of
yeah,
them
you
just
should-
sitting there. No, but those guns are scary.
They're scary, bro. You actually see the bullets going towards you.
I know I hit that guy.
But take a note. They do very little damage. Just go for it.
Oh shit! Okay, nah.
It's pretty hard to die from
Oh,
these.
sorry. They're inside the HQ. They're inside
Oh,
the HQ.
come on.
Yeah, hold on. Refill at the refill at camp from now on.
Oh,
Camp
they
is
are.
the one.
Did you feel like I can't? Okay, never mind. We're chilling.
Yo, one kill! I killed him!
Nice kill. I saw that.
Good stuff.
They have
Fucking drop shot, bitch.
They have overtaken.
I think I got one. I think I got one.
He was on the wall.
I got one.
Wall cleared.
No, there's one more on the wall. But I got one on the wall.
I know I hit him. It's lagging. Game's lagging. I can't even shoot.
Hold on, just go in. Everybody go in.
I looted that guy.
Move.
Alright, I move. Ooh.
Oh yeah, one died. We killed that guy. One died.
Yes, sir, baby. I love
Creatures
this
of
gun.
walls.
I
Who
love
are
this
these
gun with
guys?
passion.
Are we allowed to respond? Can we respond in any way?
Where's camp?
Can I loot their gun?
No, don't.
I
Where's
looked at one
camp?
of them. No, I looked one of them.
Alright, wall clear.
No, it's not. In
What?
there. Dude, is AP not working for me?
Holy shit.
I'm on half gas.
EP can break sometimes.
I'm turning
Go
on
for
white
that.
dot. I'm turning on white dot because I don't
Stand
know.
by your gate. Remove your weapons.
He's
You will
using
be
a fuse
spared.
Yeah, it's called me and Daniel using fusils.
Okay.
Where's the camp? I need gas.
All the way east.
East.
I need a refill.
All the way east. by the
Are
river.
we allowed to stand down but no weapon? Like, I don't know.
Don't stand down.
I'm not standing down, bro. I'm
Hi,
just
Dark.
going
I killed one. You proud of me?
in. Whoa.
Yeah, there's still one on the wall because I don't think my AP shots are hitting.
2 more rounds inside
No, they
HQ
have a health
stairs.
boost. I could tell. They have a boost of some sort.
This guy's just staying on the wall.
Yeah, I'm getting health.
I'm getting back, yeah.
Oh, shit, I tripped.
Yeah,
Oh, I
bro.
see him.
If
I
you
see
if you go
He's dead, he's dead.
district left. Only district now.
Inside
Only the
the
ones in
district,
HQ.
alright?
Only the ones in HQ.
I looked at
I don't like that.
In the gate, they're down in the gate. They're down in the gate.
Alright,
I'm gonna loot them.
Use the house as just an advantage.
Oh, that's two.
oh, I'm being fired at.
I looted
Outside-
one.
Near the camp.
Oh, I got loot. I got
Camp
loot.
down.
Near camp now.
Get loot, copy and paste.
Cryptos, we're near camp.
Right outside the inner gate, where the camp is.
Should we?
Wait, inner
I
gate
feel like
on the
you're
camp
dark.
side, or?
Could
Yeah,
this be pulling
camp-
something on
campsite,
us?
Inner gate.
I feel like they have something big.
I feel like no. Check their uniforms.
Oh, shit.
not
What the hell? It disappeared.
Hold up, Cryptos, they're not here anymore. Where'd they go?
They look
I
like
don't know,
Marlene
Oh,
underling though.
I think he flung
They're
himself
shooting
back
for
up.
the
I got tracers. Yeah, you're right. They're hiding in the forest. Now. East, small forest. East, small forest.
East small force, alright.
Coming.
Yeah, I saw tracers going towards me.
I can't even go there. Hold on.
Yeah, they're gonna go to camps pretty soon.
Fuck you, man.
Is HQ safe or not yet?
Daniel, where are you?
No, yeah. I'm from shooting at the HQ.
Oh, I'm going to HQ. Coming to HQ.
Coming as well.
Are they inside?
No, they're not. They're not. One of them is not. There's two coming. There's two coming.
No, they're outside. Right outside HQ. Right
Yeah,
outside.
Yeah, I see him. I see him.
There's three now.
I'm coming.
Hit.
Hit one. Which one? So I can shoot over AP. Which one?
It's called there's. Damn, too fast. I hooked away. I'm not getting shot again, bro.
Oh, I
There's
think
three
they
now.
might be
There's
on-
three. There's three. Yeah,
They're
there's
on the
three.
roof. They're on the roof. They're on. It
That's
looks like,
me.
I think.
Crypto, don't shoot.
Oh, okay, that's you.
White
Yeah, that's me as
uniform
well.
equals
That's me as well.
GU.
Yeah. Now, you see
What
that on the
uniform
roof? You see
equals
that? You see
friends?
that?
Where are
Oh,
they?
no. Oh my god.
Okay.
Where you want
Towards northeast on that roof.
Yeah, I see him.
Green, you
East.
still alive? Green, you still alive? Green.
There's four at HQ.
Still alive. Of course I am.
Okay.
Heal, bro. P2.
Where?
Crypto, no, Crypto, he's trying to shoot you.
Ooh, I'm gonna use.
Grab that. Cop that.
I really dislike this.
We don't know who they are. That's a scary. Above us!
Scatter.
Whoa.
Is that the blimp?
Drop shot. Oh, I hit him.
Where?
On the wall?
On the wall,
Hold
on the
on, I see him.
I hit him once.
I'm trying. Oh, up from above. From above, it looks like.
Hi there.
Oh, I'm not dying to that. No sir, no thank you.
Okay, that's the main
He
guy.
is all he bullet. I'm going in. He's
Go
all
it.
bullet.
Oh,
Don't go in,
How
don't
did they
go in.
reload so fast?
Okay, nice. I think that's like, you know old AP? You know the old AP?
that
Yeah, you
that
just-
is old, basically.
Yeah. You can just unequip it, right? Like press R and then unequip it and boom. That's how they reload.
I'm trying.
Dude, he healed.
Okay.
Okay, they have medkits.
Well, yeah,
Okay,
they're
yeah.
inside the HQ. So
I
they're
think I hit
probably
one.
get-
I'm not sure.
Are you back on the roof?
We
or
really
are you-
need hit markers for. Oh,
Alright.
Holy shit.
my bad.
still
My
up.
bad. No, that was my bad. That's my
Okay,
bad.
yeah,
That's my
there's-
Be
bad.
there's
careful
still-
when you're coming back to camps. There's still a few somewhere out here.
No, Dark, it was not the right decision to wear black.
It's okay.
No, I'm just looking around the audience
Shot
around.
just hit me.
the
That-
fuck-
I gotta reload shit.
They're reloading. They're healing, bro. How many medkits do they have? That has to be two. If they had to use two.
Bro, Daniel, be sure to cock your rifle, bro. I almost died.
Oh, yeah, I'm just going around.
No,
Woo!
it's HQ clear.
Sandwiches?
HQ
No,
HQ is not
at
clear. There's
all.
probably some still inside, though.
I just. Oh, I'm being
the
fired at.
fact that it's dark makes this 10 times worse.
I'm.
All right, I definitely hit that first shot.
Ooh.
Alright, hold up. Callouts, I need callouts. What's happening?
I just took some damage from one of them. I nearly got stuck on a house.
Okay, so you're okay.
Great,
So
I'm
still in
just-
the district.
Yeah, they're still in the district. very
Help me
much
on,
so.
wanna help me on the other gate?
That's what I've been
I got-
taking.
I see. Yeah,
Okay,
I see him.
I'm going. I'm going with Blazer, though.
Nice.
Did you?
I fuck him up!
He's on the ground.
He's on the ground!
Where?
Wait, is he dead? Oh, he died.
He definitely died. Go loot his body.
I got it.
Woohoo!
I want that gun. That's
So-
We want these guns. I looted a gun.
I got two.
Yeah,
I
if
got
we
two
can get
guns.
these
I got
guns,
two
that'd be
guns.
ideal.
I got two guns. Yeah, I got two guns. Yeah, fuck this shit.
Nice.
Yeah, here's can gun, bro.
Bro. Dark AP carrying.
No. Oh, where's your?
How
Okay.
good's the gun?
Oh.
Oh, he's trying to know. Okay, he's trying to destroy the whole district again.
I don't like that prepared
Look for
device.
them. Look for them.
Well-
Look, hold on, I'm going to say this way. Clear this way.
Well, we don't have any civilians inside the district anyway. You don't have to worry about it.
Just somebody.
District?
Okay, that's not at the camera though.
They're not at the camp anymore? Okay.
Yeah, no one's at it yet.
Camp is clear by now.
Green, where?
No. I flung past an SL and he was in all black and I got shit myself.
Okay, but where are those AP? That's coming.
Oh.
That's Dark.
Holy.
Wait, Dark, is that you firing?
What, AP? Yeah.
Okay. I was like, they have an AP user?
I
I got concerned a bit.
I was about to say.
Where? Dark.
HQ.
In front?
In front.
In front.
Yeah. Yeah, that's 3, that's 4. Okay, that's 4.
I'm dead.
What?
At the camp.
At the camp.
Oh, shit,
Go,
they're
go.
hiding now.
Oh my.
Everyone rush camp positioning.
Yep. Crypto's fucking revenge.
We're avenging
the
the.
camp in. We already
Crypto's
camp.
revenge.
Oh,
I
fuck
grabbed,
you.
I grabbed my standpoint.
Bro, those chasers, nah.
Oh my god! I just saw that mow down, bro.
You
Oh,
guys okay?
that's two. That's two. Nah, yeah, I'm stuck at the in the gate. Hold on.
Yeah, inner as well here.
Crap.
We need a
Yeah.
That was, oh my god. Green,
That's-
I know your heart dropped, bro.
I fuck.
You guys still? Are you still alive?
Yeah.
We're alive, we're alive.
I'm stuck in a tree. I'm stuck in a tree.
Hold on.
Like, she's stuck.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pink her for that one.
Tip it to me. Tip it to
You
me.
can see. Yeah, hold on.
Alright, so what's the plan, gentlemen? HQ or camp first?
No, I don't
You
want to
gotta
pull a
do
bob
camp.
and then
Bro.
use a command and then
Camp.
randomly die for no reason.
Yeah, see, that's what I had.
Camp first.
on the devil.
camp first, I.
Yeah, camp. We need camp. Oh. Oh.
Oh, if you wanna surrender, we have to go to camp.
All right. Hi, Daniel.
So we're gonna go there, guns
Well,
blazing.
where
there.
are
Go
we?
to camp.
Hold on. We gotta go all at the same time. We can't.
Nah, how can they see? Nah.
Yeah, hold on.
Nah.
Yeah, wait. Hold on, we gotta meet up first. Meet up first at least. That way we actually have a plan to do.
Bro, they
Is it-
they see me. They see me.
Should I just? Are you guys already at camp?
No, I'm in a tree.
Oh,
Yeah. We're on the tree, bro.
Bro,
hold
AT
on,
was.
where are you?
Same tree with Dot.
Okay, alright. I'm
Okay.
on top of inner right now.
Can I try to see them? For a second, I'm gonna see trying to snipe them. Oh, I see one.
No, they can snipe you, bro. Like scare
They
me.
can snipe
Well, their
you.
guns are
Their headshots do
automated
extra
lasers, bro.
damage.
Yeah, bro, I got AP.
Nah, they tried to shoot me in green. I got scared.
Hey, what's happening?
Funny
new
PD.
type of
they come
Marley.
up here.
Foreigners.
Oh,
Yeah.
what?
Some
You got-
sort
you
of
got-
foreigners. I think the padding looks like Marley though, like the back
Yeah.
bottom part. So I'm not sure.
Yeah,
It could be
pictures.
like
Hey,
some sort of
take-
covert
hey,
ops.
Take pictures for me. Take pictures for me.
I got cleared.
Yeah, I need clips or pictures or something, and then I'll log it. Hey,
Dark,
holy
there's a
shit,
cheeky
yeah,
one.
see.
You see now?
Okay,
I'm
dark.
showing
Keep
you.
baiting.
Well,
Keep
no,
baiting.
when you guys go in, I'll go in from inner side.
Okay, oh shit.
It's just,
Can-
by the way, yo, hold
can
up.
you
It's
make
just
it
us off
HQ?
highway.
Hey, can you make it HQ?
HQ's fucked right now.
What?
They're inside
Yeah.
HQ.
Wait, who killed me? What?
What?
Oh, he healed all. Cure killed all, bro. Cure killed all.
That's so clutch.
Wait, everyone died?
Hold on. Yo, hold up. Status
Wait,
update.
I don't
There's only
know,
ones
wait,
left. There's
Gotta
only
be
left in
outside of
district.
HQ by now.
Wait, they killed all.
He accidentally killed all.
Dark green. We're the only ones left. Everyone
Oh
else.
no.
Wait, I'm trying to shoot him.
Who died?
There were the 15 SL recruits that came in.
Oh my god. Dude, I
And there's
just
4
got that
people
branch
still.
active.
Wait, there's 4 people still alive.
What Highcom came?
Nah, me,
None.
Toast came. None?
me.
Wow, okay, I see the problem now.
I gotta stop wasting my gas, bro. I'm gonna.
Bro, I'm here. No, I'm here.
I'm dead.
Green, give me your snap.
No,
Green,
I'm
give me your
dead.
snap.
That
died.
was. What the
You died?
fuck? Yeah, I
Where?
don't even know,
Where
man.
is that?
No, bro. At this point, I
Where's
might
your
as well
AP?
just fucking
Nah.
go
Where's
to
your AP? Where's your AP?
At the
Where's
trees.
your
At the trees in the back. I can't speak anymore.
Green, give me
Sorry,
your
my bad.
snap.
Yo, hold on. We might have to just fucking run the stillheads, bro. I swear.
Give me your snap, Green, I gotta go.
Oh, okay, see now. Trying to get AP.
You trying to get the AP?
Yeah, trying to get AP. Wait, fuck, they're mowing me down.
Bro, I'm out in the open, bro. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah, they're on the tree where green died. Wait,
Oh,
okay.
what tree is that? I don't see the tree.
Wait, I'm shooting green plant.
Yo, Daniel.
I see you, damn. What tree? Is this tree? This tree?
Yeah, this tree.
Bro,
Down
it's just us
there,
three
down
left. What are we doing? What's the plan?
there.
It's at.
We either killed
Okay,
them
never
or
mind.
this
There's
is
more. My bad. Sorry, guys. What's good?
Oh, there's more. Okay, that's good.
There's two.
Where you guys at?
We're at we're northern side of the wall right now, but we're still
Yeah.
in inner.
Wait, who's still alive? Who's the